2025 Kenworth RV Motorhome is making waves in the luxury travel world. And today on Honest Auto Wheels, we're diving into what makes this beast so special. Built on Kenworth's legendary heavy-duty chassis, this motorhome combines rugged strength with high-end comfort like never before. From the outside, the 2025 Kenworth RV grabs attention with its bold grille, aerodynamic body, and high-mounted LED lights that give it a futuristic and powerful presence on the road. It's not just a vehicle, it's a moving mansion, designed for both performance and prestige. Under the hood, you'll find a turbocharged PACCAR engine that delivers incredible horsepower and torque, ensuring smooth cruising on highways and tough terrains alike. The transmission is automatic, refined, and tuned for long-haul comfort, making driving this RV less of a chore and more of a pleasure. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is its intelligent suspension system that adjusts based on road conditions, offering a ride that feels like gliding, even when the road gets rough. Now step inside, and you're entering a whole new world of luxury. The interior is nothing short of stunning. The cabin features soft touch materials, leather recliners, a large panoramic windshield, and real wood accents. Ambient lighting lines the ceiling, giving the whole space a cozy, yet classy vibe, especially at night. The driver's seat feels like a cockpit, loaded with a digital instrument cluster, touchscreen controls, and advanced safety features like lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras. Moving into the living area, you'll find a full-size kitchen with marble countertops, a refrigerator, induction stove, microwave, and even a dishwasher. There's a dinette that converts into extra sleeping space, and every cabinet is soft close with modern hardware. The lounge area includes a massive flat-screen TV, a surround sound system, and Bluetooth connectivity, perfect for movie nights or relaxing after a day on the road. The master bedroom is equipped with a king-size bed, memory foam mattress, USB charging ports, reading lights, and tons of storage. There's also a private bathroom that feels like something out of a luxury hotel with a glass door shower, porcelain toilet, and backlit mirror. Temperature inside is controlled by dual-zone climate control, with an ultra-quiet AC system. The RV also features solar panels on the roof, a generator backup, and a smart energy monitoring system, making it perfect for off-grid adventures. Another highlight is the slide-out feature that expands the living space at the touch of a button, giving you room to breathe when parked. There's also an outdoor entertainment setup with a retractable awning, speakers, and even a pull-out grill for those sunny afternoon barbecues. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. The Kenworth RV comes with air disc brakes, tire pressure monitoring, blind spot detection, and emergency braking assist. It's designed not just to look good and feel comfortable, but to keep you and your loved ones safe on every mile of the journey. Owners and reviewers are raving about how this RV blends industrial power with the finesse of a luxury condo. It's not just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle statement. Whether you're traveling cross-country or living full-time on the road, the 2025 Kenworth RV Motorhome is ready to deliver unmatched comfort, technology, and power. This is Honest Auto Wheels, bringing you the finest in mobile luxury. Until next time, drive safe and travel smart.